And once again, hello to Hello Eyeball. Today I make a Halloween special, not on English, but now on my introduction, so don't be afraid. It's just Halloween. And today I'm doing a little fire spirit. Wah! Well, hello. Hello on Hello Eyeball Halloween special. Now we draw some flaming spirit running through the center of the universe. And we start all again with a circle or ellipse. I don't know if it is a word on English, but I just said to be funny. Yes, now, when we have a circle in this direction, is our spirit, little flaming spirit looking in this direction. Yes, so I draw now the nose line and the eye line, and now I can make the mouth. The mouth is really wide open. Yes, I love it. And when the open mouth is directly going in this direction, flaming spirit. So I draw shadow. When I draw my shadow, I just think about that I make a little bit moving in the air, like this. Okay, sorry, my voice was a little bit high. Now it's low, and I start another show. So this is how I want to make the eye line, and I drop my eye in this direction and on the other eye in this direction. So I make a little lightning symbol in the eye, so it get more deeper. It get more deeper. So, yes, that looks really exciting. And now I make a little curve here and then curve there, and then we have, I don't know, we have something. So, and then, yes, the flames. We can make the flames now. And I start in this direction, and here I start the flames in this direction. And they come together at the top of the head. Maybe like this, and like this. The last one is the highest one, and then it gets down to this direction. Yeah. Maybe here something more. And here. Let's look. Take the eraser and look. If you are satisfied, if you are satisfied, then you will be happy. If not, then not. Well, I see now here this curve. This can go a little bit more in this direction, so I can draw my fire lines a little more in this direction. So, look how it looks now. That could be a little more action satisfaction, because our little spirit is running. Yes, now we can do it like this. Oh, I love to rubble and erase everything I like to draw. So, better? I don't know. Let's look how the body is moving. The body is like this and makes a little curve in this direction. A little move. So, we can draw his legs and his foot, and then we get here over this. Now we see he's running, jumping, running and jumping, and then he can take his arms up like this and up like this. So, and now he gets an training costume like Bruce Lee. And this is the Flaming Spirit on English, my first tutorial on English. Well, I hope you like it. It's very scary, because I have a scary voice. Maybe not, maybe yes, I don't know, you will see. And the rest is in time-lapse. Okay. Be funky, and happy Halloween.